finished taking apart the bracelet, and it's actually quite pretty. It is almost like a dragonfly. I don't think it's supposed to be a dragonfly, but if you look at the pattern, it almost looks like a, but I don't think that's what it is. It's just a really pretty lacy pattern, and it's just beautiful. And even the holes in the thing that the beads were on give it a pretty look. But that gives me the idea that this was maybe a blank somebody bought, and then they did this. And then I got all these gorgeous backs. I don't know what these are, but I'm going to research it. They have 2 holes each. Then I got these stone beads. These are all stone and glass. I think they're mostly stone. These are all little glass beads. I've got gold and silver, black, and then these might be stone. These are a gorgeous gold bead, and this is like a metal gold bead. I got a few of those little ones that match these, and then this is just a mixture of different little seed beads. So I got a lot of materials. This basically was free because it was in one of my boxes of stuff, and it has been floating around for years. So I did look it up before and tried to sell it, but there was just nothing. And I'm not doing good with even the really nice vintage stuff. Even when somebody else has sold it for a lot, I just don't. I don't have a big enough following. I don't get enough listings, so I don't get enough views, and I'm not promoting my stuff as much as I probably could, and that hits you too. If it's a very expensive item, I might promote it, but when it's a $3, $4, $5 item, I really don't do promotions. I haven't found that it helps even when I do, and they try to get me to do like 10 and 15%. I'm not giving them another 10 or 15% of my money. It might come down to having to do it because it seems like that is the way it is going. But some of these beads are absolutely gorgeous. These reflective ones here. Even these black ones are really pretty. And then these stones are gorgeous. And then this bracelet itself is just really very pretty. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet. If I'm going to sell it as a blank, or if I'm going to do my own design on it. But I think it's quite pretty with that just gorgeous open weave on it that almost looks like a dragonfly, but I don't think that's what it's supposed to be because it's too even. It's not like a head and a body. It's like the same on both ends. So I think it's just a coincidence because I've worked with so many dragonflies lately. So anyway, that is the finished piece. It took me quite a long time. I didn't record that for you because literally I had to really work hard to pry this thing apart. So I didn't have any ability to record it. But I'll be back later with some other project I'm working on. Bye.